Hi, welcome back to the bench. Sorry for the weird angle and all sorts of other nastiness, but I figured I was working on this and I'd just sort of turn the camera on and shoot some video to show you what I was doing. So I got these LED light fixture replacement lamps off of Amazon, and you know, they're stylish. They come with a cover like this, and you know, they're really big. They're fairly big. They're at least a foot across, so you know, maybe 13, 14 inches, something like that. And they inside them, they've got this sort of weird, or maybe not weird, whatever, circular pattern of LEDs, like you can see here. And they come with one of these LED drivers, and more on this in a second. And this LED driver, this particular one, is supposed to be an 18 watt, and that's what this was right now. So I was just actually measuring the output to see what it was. And this thing runs loaded roughly at around 68.5 volts. And apparently it can go up to 70 volts on the output. And this one says 300 milliamps. So that would put it at roughly about 20 something watts, which is fine. Pretty much what this is rated. Let's go pop this open really quickly, because I have to open it anyway to undo my vile work. So one thing I was really worried about this, of course, is that this is the part of the LED driver that'll go when you buy one of these things. And of course, if this goes and you're stuck with something that you can't fix or repair easily. At least that's what I was worried of. When I opened this up, I saw what looks like a sort of standard switch mode power supply for one of these things. Probably better built than most. The clearance is not fantastic, but you know, what are you going to get, right? There's some, but it's pretty bad. So, but anyway, whatever. It's encased in a plastic case, so you know, of course not grounded or anything like that. It's just the casing is grounded. There seems to be some sort of fusible thing in there. Probably safe enough. Whatever. Big. What's the brand on this cap here? Let's see. I'll open this up. There's no brand on it. It's a YXC branded cap. 400 volts, 33 microfarad. Resistor, some sort of controller. I have no idea what that is. A BP2818. Never heard of it before, but maybe it's a common chip. I don't know. This looks like some sort of switching FET. Of course, not heatsinked or anything like that. Small little transistor, output cap on here, and a diode, which is probably designed to smooth the output. It's like a sort of half-wave rectifier kind of deal. So there you go, pretty straightforward. A couple of what look like TO92 packages, 13001. No, don't know what that is. Maybe that's actually the year of manufacture. It's an S6D. Could be switching. Not sure. Anyway, yeah. So at any rate, it looks like it's either replaceable or fixable. So that's a good thing. So if this ever broke, it'd be easy to replace and do something to try and repair it. So that's it. I'm just gonna change that back and pack this all up. It comes in 3 color temperatures. This is the 400 Kelvin. I have a 500 Kelvin installed right now in my lab, which is nice. And there's a 4,000 Kelvin, 5,000 Kelvin installed in my lab, and it comes in, I think, 3,000 Kelvin